Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can find games on your App Store. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is simply open your App Store on your iPhone. And after opening your App Store on your iPhone or iPad, here you can see this is the today's page right here. If you scroll down, it will show you the latest applications right here. But if you want to specifically find games only, you can click on this particular game icon that you can see right here. You can tap on this particular games icon that you can see right here. So after tapping on this game icon here, we are now on the games page. Now when you scroll down through this will only show games that you can install on your phone. Here you can see there is a must play games right here. If you scroll down, there is the option of Apple Arcade games for you. And there is also the option of start these great games for free. And here you will only get free games if you swipe left like this. And here you can scroll down and there are also the top played games and top free games right here. And you can also find top paid games right here. So in here you can see there is also the price of the games right here. You can see Minecraft is $6.99 and this Plague Inc. is $0.99 and other games are like $9.99. And if you swipe left here, you can see all of the paid games here. You can also find the best game with new updates. So you can find latest updated games and you can also find the games we love. And likewise, there are many categories that you can find. So if you swipe all the way up right here, you can see in these filters up right here, you can get actions. If you want any kind of action games, you can tap on this action option right here and you can find the games that is related with actions. So if you go back right here, you can see there are various filters like racing, strategy, puzzles, role playing, and many more. If you swipe left just like this, here you can see there are many filters. You can see there are also the kids option right here. And likewise, you can find any games that you desire on your App Store. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.